Hello, my name is Adam, and today I'll walk you through the steps of launching your first campaign using our marketing product. Are you ready to send an appealing email to your contact list? Well, let's get started. To initiate a campaign, navigate to Campaigns on the left tab. Now it's time to craft your first campaign. You have two options. You can send a regular campaign or create multiple variants with an A/B test. Opt for a regular campaign if you prefer a single email without additional experimenting. If you want to compare the performance of different elements such as subjects or CTA buttons, go for an A/B test. You can create up to 7 different versions that can differ by subject, from name, or entire templates. The decision is yours, but for reliable results, focus on comparing a single aspect, like different titles only. For more information on effective A/B tests, click here. Now, let's create a regular campaign that is more popular and simpler to run. Start with selecting your target audience from segments or lists. If you're unfamiliar with contact management, watch this video for more insights. In this summary section, you'll see the size of your chosen list. In this case, our campaign will reach a unique audience of 10 recipients. Next, decide on the subject and content of your campaign. In the From row, determine who the email is sent from. This information can impact recipient engagement. The default From email depends on your previous actions on our platform. Have you verified your domain? If not, please follow this guide to do it correctly, as an unverified domain may increase your spam rate. If your domain is verified, you can choose any email address from your domain. In this case, our domain is verified and we've set a default sender, but we can easily change it or select it from our list. You can also change the reply to address if you wish to receive responses at a different email. For instance, if you want to involve the customer support team in the process, set it up accordingly. Crafting the email subject is crucial. How engaging and appealing would it be? It's up to you. You can personalize your subject with merge fields and add emojis if you want. Ensure all campaign contacts have filled in the required data for proper merge field usage. Otherwise, your recipient, in spite of personalization, might see something like this. Be mindful of spam triggering keywords. Refer to the list to enhance deliverability. The preview text is visible in your recipients' inboxes even before they interact with the emails, so make it creative and understandable. Now, decide on the content you want to send. The first option is to choose from templates you've designed or select one from the gallery. There's a whole list of regularly updated templates. The second way is to create an appealing template from scratch using our user-friendly email designer. Find out more about our built-in tool in this video. The last solution is to utilize an HTML editor. This is a more advanced option that requires some coding skills. You can paste some pre-designed templates or write the HTML code from scratch. In this video, we'll be using our pre-designed template. Moving on to settings and tracking. Firstly, name your campaign for internal reference. This is just for your needs, and clients won't see that at all. It is a good practice to maintain understandable and consistent naming so the other team members can easily distinguish the sent campaigns, for example, by analyzing the results. In this section, consider turning on send time optimization for additional options. Sending to the most engaged contacts means that your campaign will be at first sent to the contacts with the highest open and click rate history. Optimizing the sending time based on previous user engagement may take more than 24 hours, but can improve open rates. It will be delivered at the time when their engagement was the highest in the past. In the tracking area, select additional statistics you want, such as open rate and click percentage. You will see all that data in your reports afterward. Enable automated UTM parameters for traffic analysis in tools like Google Analytics. Those are default tracking values, but you should keep them in line with your UTM strategy. If you want to know more about analyzing the results, read this article. Once everything is set, you can save the campaign as a draft and finish it later. Schedule it for a specific time or send it immediately. Double check everything and confirm that you are ready to send. And voila! Congratulations! Your first campaign has been sent smoothly. You can monitor its progress in the campaign report for advanced statistics on open rates, clicked links, and unsubscribed users. And that's all for today. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our customer support team. Our specialists are always here to help.